Hello students, welcome to the class. It is our English class and today we will learn about vowel sounds. It is our revision class of sounds because we are facing problems, right? How to differentiate short sound and long sound? Today we will learn how we can differentiate short sound and long sound. See, vowels are, how many vowels are there? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O and U. These 5 are our vowels. And when we read in our English book or in our phonic book about vowels, we learned about 2 types of sound. Short and long. Right? Short and long sounding sounds. Long sounding words of these vowels. So vowels have 2 types of sound. Short sound and long sound. Now, how can we differentiate a vowel? It is short sound or it is long sound. How can we identify that? Now we'll learn how can we easily identify short sounding vowel or long sounding vowel. Okay? See, in a short sounding word, like today we will learn about A only. Okay? Today we will learn about A only. So in a short sounding word with vowel A, we learn that cap, right? Tap, map. These sounds we learned. These words we already learned in our phonic book and in our English book also. That's for short sounding words of A. Short sounding words of A. Cap, tap, map. These are short sounding words, right? Cap, tap, map. These are short sounding words. But if see here, it is formation is first one is consonant, C is consonant, then A is vowel, then again P is consonant. Here also C is consonant, A is vowel, then again consonant. Here also consonant, vowel and consonant. Now here only one vowel is here, right? In these words only one vowel is here. If we add another vowel with this, then it will be a long vowel sounding word. You want to see how? See, CAP, cap. But if we add one E, then it's cap. A. See, it is A. And here sounds also A. Cap. We just add one E. And it changed. For tap, if we write here one E, we add tape. See, here tap, A, but here tape, A. Because see, here only one vowel was here and the sound was A. When we added another vowel, it becomes A, tape. For map, if you add MAPE, then it is map. Okay? Here you learn cake, name. You learn these words in your book? Okay, let me just write down this little up. Here. Cake. Name. In cake, see, here one vowel is A and another vowel is E. Though main vowel is our A, right? But it sounds cake, not cake. It's cake. A sounds like A. And name, here also 2 vowels. Name. And it sounds like A. Name. But here it was cap. A. Here tap. A. Map. A sounds like A. Bat, fat, rat, all sounds like A. See? Bat, rat, fat. These are all short sounding words of A because it sounds like A, not formation. First consonant, then vowel, then again consonant. Only one consonant is here. One vowel is here. Only one vowel is here. That's why it is bat, rat, fat, sounds like a. And it is short sounding words of a. But if we add one e here, like bat plus e, then it is B-A-T-E, bait, R-A-T-E, rate, F-A-T-E, fate. It's a change, right? Changed. Because here we added two vowels. So you can say that when there are two vowels together with after a consonant, vowel, consonant and again vowel, vowel, consonant and again vowel. Between two vowels there is one consonant and then two vowels are there, then it will be a long sounding word. Okay? You can say that if a sounds like a, then it is long sounding word. If a doesn't sound like a, it is short sounding word. Okay? Thank you for today.